students stand here are on the brink of a new chapter in their life. The investiture ceremony is a platform to showcase the leadership, skills and abilities of our students and is the most prestigious ceremony in the schedule of school events. I take pride in getting this opportunity to welcome the distinguished guest, the Galaxy of Thinker, Honorable Senior Principal Principal Ma'am, respected teachers and my dear friends. How beautiful is this day? Because it not only marks down the installation of members of Students' Council of MTPS, Marthoma Public School, to their workplace, but it also symbolizes education and its importance in our lives. Dear God, into your hands we place our worries, cases and troubles. Into your wisdom we place our path, directions and goals. So now, let's begin this aspiring day with God's prayer. school are officially vested with their powers and positions. Thank you all for joining us on this beautiful and inspiring day. Now, we start our investiture ceremony. I request to Senior Principal to hand over the sashes to the newly elected candidates. Kashish Amble as a chairman of the school. Krishna Kushwaha as a vice chairman of the school. Ritika Garhwal as a secretary of the school. There are 4 houses here at Mar Thoma Public School. They are Red House. It depicts victory. Blue House. It depicts bravery. Green House. It symbolizes honesty. Yellow House. It symbolizes wisdom. Each house has house captains and teacher in charges. So, house captains for the Red House are Akshat Chokse and Tanisha Rajoria. Now, I request Father to hand over the sashes to house captains. For Red House Victory, I request Mrs. Kamini Chauhan ma'am to come forward and accept the responsibilities and duties. I request Senior Principal to hand over the flags to the house captains. House captains of Blue House Bravery are Ashutosh Shehra and Riyadabadi. Sashes will be handed over to the house captains. The teacher in charge of the Blue House is Mr. Hemant Joshi sir. I request you, sir, to acquire your duties and responsibilities. Now, flag is handed over to Blue House captains. House captains of the Green House Honesty are Pranay Rathore and Rakshita Gokhale. Sashes are handed over to Green House captains. And the teacher in charge is Mrs. Sheenu Saji ma'am. I request ma'am to accept her responsibilities. Now, flag is handed over to Green House captains. House captains of the Yellow House Wisdom are Piyush Rimkade and Tanvi Upadhyay. Sashes given to Yellow House captains. And the teacher in charge of the Yellow House is Mrs. Astha Singh Soner ma'am. I request her ensure that she will be faithful to her responsibilities. Now it's time to lit up the flame. The flame symbolizes the light of spirit, knowledge and life. So to do the honor, I request Senior Principal to lighten the flame. Pigeons are symbolic of fertility and prosperity. It is considered to be an omen of good luck. So I request Father for flying the pigeon. I request Father to hand over the torch to Vice Chairman of the school, Krishna Kushwaha. Now the torch bearer, Vice Chairman, along with Chairman, Secretary and House Captains will take the round of the school. We now have our young and energetic leaders with us, ready to pledge their oath at the commencement of the Investiture Ceremony 2021. Now, I invite our beloved Principal Ma'am for the oath-taking ceremony and followed by the pinning of the badges.
Swear in the name of God that as I am selected to the post of Students Council of Martoma Public School, I will discharge my duties with fairness and faithfulness during my term of office. I will try my best and will encourage the other students to keep the discipline of the school and values of life in a very best level. I shall fulfill my responsibilities without fear and favor for the overall development of my fellow students according to school authorities in every respect. I will rely on God's grace to fulfill my duties very effectively to the advice of the students, to the society, and to my country. Jai Hind.
Now, I like to call upon our respected teachers to honor our leaders with the pinning of the badges. I would like to call Mrs. Rajni Sharma ma'am for the pinning of the badge to the chairman of the school. Then wants to call Mrs. Anupama Jain ma'am to pin the badge to the vice chairman of the school. Then Mrs. Reena Kashliwal ma'am for pinning the badge to the secretary of the school. and all the respective house teacher in charges will pin the badges to their house captains. Red House, please come forward. Blue House, come forward. Green House, come forward. Yellow House, come forward. As we have our senior principal with us, we request you to address the gathering with the words of wisdom.
Good morning, my Lord. Hope you are fine. I take this time to congratulate the chairman, vice chairman, secretary, and house captains and respected teachers. Chocolate once said, before you are a leader, success is all about growing yourself. When you become a leader, success is all about growing others. University ceremony signifies with relates and confidence that the school contains in the newly invested students' house. During the matter of responsibility, they also pledge to bestow their duties to the best of their abilities. Student leaders, your university marks a major milestone, both in your learning journey in Mahatma Public School as well as in your personal development as future leaders of India. The school sees great potential in you, and your leadership as student leader is a testament to the confidence that the school has in your leadership capability. Now, with this vote of confidence from the school, the question then is how you exercise leadership in your respective fields. What are your leadership aims and goals? What do you wish to achieve as a student leader in the year 2020-21? This is an important question. Good leaders are trailblazers, making a path for others to follow. As a leader, you may face several challenges while performing your duty. Spend either a few minutes in the morning reflecting and listing out the priorities you need to address. Or a few minutes in the evening to find out what went right and what went wrong in performing your duties. This daily reflection will help you sharpen your problem solving skills. The next one is self-regulation. The greatest challenge most people face in life is lack of time. Since you will assume a position of responsibility, you need to work around your available time as a student and that as a leader. Many student leaders get mixed up and either pay attention doing their own thing or doing the leadership thing. Therefore, self-regulation is to prioritize, plan, and effectively use the limited time you have. Everything you also have an agenda and record the minutes. This is your opportunity to practice leadership. You can practice these steps to transform yourself and to bring transformation in the school. I'm sure you can do it, and that's why you are here today, taking up the leadership badge. Before we appoint each of you as leaders of Mathuma Public School, I would like to take you to our core values. By now, you have realized that to be a leader, you need to transform yourself so that you can transform the school into a great school. You must also know that you need to practice ethical leadership. In order to do that, Mathoma School's core values will guide you. Therefore, be prepared to lead through innovation, pursue excellence, grow by learning, and be a global citizen. Thank you. I take this time to congratulate everyone who worked behind the success of this ceremony. Thank you, and more. May God bless you all.
Thank you, Father, for your inspiring message. We would definitely strive to realize your thoughts into our actions. Now, I would like to call 11th class students to present a song.
कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तो देंगे वही सलामियाँ दिल थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ करके दिखा कमाल हो आके ज़मीन पे देख जाए आंसू शाबाशियाँ 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 आशाएं 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 कुछ पानी की हो आसपास में करवा हो जो आसपास आशाएं आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार पर दरिया हो जो बार बार आशाएं आशाएं तूफानों को चिर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं उम्मीदें हंसे अब मुश्किल कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव है अब तो मैं चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव है अब तो मैं चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है ये जिंदगी रफ्तार से चल पड़ी जाते हुए राहों में हमसे अभी कह के गई अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जिसकी आखिरी हो जियो तो इस पल ऐसे जियो जिसकी आखिरी हो अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जिसकी आखिरी हो जियो तो इस पल ऐसे जियो जिसकी आखिरी हो
Give a round of applause for such a beautiful song. Thanks, as a word is small, yet it speaks volumes and volumes of the hidden sentiments and gratitude within the heart. It makes happy both to the giver and the receiver. It is our duty to thank you all for your presence to this great event. Now, I request everyone to stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे